Hi you cool cats, Cajun here, the Saxophone coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now, my purpose is to serve, motivate and to inspire you. So if it's your first time here, consider subscribing and remember to turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways of how you could practice your long tones in order to get the best result from the process. Now, simply put, long tones are long sustained notes, aka tones. Now, if you haven't watched my video, 3 reasons you should practice your long tones, check the cards above here or a link in the description below. When should you practice your long tone? Now, they should be practiced or done at the beginning of your practice session or your practice routine. But you may ask the question, how long should you practice them for? Well, my aim is between 5 to 15 minutes long. And I mostly lean toward the 15-minute mark because that's where I get the best result. A common complaint I always hear is that long tones are boring. Now, they are boring because you make them boring. To avoid the boredom, find long tone exercises that challenges you, but not too difficult that it overwhelms and discourages you. Additionally, set mini challenges for yourself, like using the metronome and holding a note while counting and seeing how long you can sustain that one note for, or challenge yourself of how soft or how loud you can play a note on your horn. Also, never play the same notes for your long tones. Play across the entire range of your saxophone. So, the first way you could practice your long tones are 1, you play diatonically. Example, using a scale and playing from one note to the next, like G, A, B, etc. Number 2, playing chromatically. That means you choose 5 notes on the horn and you work on that area for a few days, and then you can go up or down the horn in a series. Example, G to G sharp to A to B flat to B, and the next time you go from C to C sharp, D, E flat, E, and so on. Thirdly, you play octaves. Example, you play G, low G, then play high G or low A and high A. So those are the 3 ways you could practice to play your long tones, and always use a metronome. I usually start at 80 beats per minute and work my way down. The slower the metronome, the longer you will have to blow each note, because it's usually the reverse though, when you're learning something difficult. But as your embouchure gets stronger, your sound will get fuller and sound better. So go try one of these tips and practice your long tones on your saxophone for a bigger, brighter, and better sound. And as always, guys, push, play until something happens. Peace.